Hi, this is going to be a brief demo video of the new ACH payment portal at Robert Madden Industries. First, you'll want to make sure that you're signed into your account. You'll then navigate to the invoices page, which is what you see here. You will select the invoices that you wish to pay. Proceed to click on the Bank ACH Payment button. This will take you to a Plaid pop-up. Plaid is our ACH payment partner. Click Continue. I'm going to continue as a guest, but you can enter your phone number here to save your account information. You'll select and link your bank account. I'm going to use a test bank account. You'll select the account you wish to use to pay the invoices. And then you'll just confirm your transfer. Once I click confirm, the ACH payment will be processed.